school the class president. As an adult, a general in the army. At the workplace, a CEO. From a country, a senator, or even a president. That is the type of leader I'm talking about becoming. What must I do in order to become a great leader? Last March, on my birthday, my mother asked me, "Hey, what do you want to become when you grow up?" At the time, my answer was a hesitation. The president. My mother then asked me, "Is that so? Then what do you think a president does?" After thinking about this for a while, I remember a book I read in the first grade. The book was none other than Martin Luther King Jr. Reverend Martin Luther King, or MLK for short, was not